1. Stand straight with arms on either side of your body. Keep your arms loose. 2. Open arms slightly. This will allow room for the rider's legs. 3. Bend knees slightly. This is an important step to avoid back injury. 4. Let the rider approach from behind. 5. Drop your knees to give the rider a place to sit. Rider should place strongest arm around shoulder bone, using your shoulders to support the weight. Do not take weight off rider yet. 6. Bend knees and reach back. Once arms are secure, bend your knees slightly, reaching straight back with your arms. As you reach down, instruct the rider to gently take their weight with arms and bend their knees towards their hands. 7. Put your arms under the rider's legs. With your knees still bent, pull arms underneath rider's legs to join your hands. Keep your back straight. Interlock your fingers. 8. Stand up. Slowly raise the rider by straightening your knees. Be careful, as this is the point when you are most likely to overbalance. For a longer lasting and more comfortable piggyback, adjust your arms to bring your elbows as close to your hips as possible. Ideally, this will transfer the weight from your arms into your hips.